A limit order is a type of order used to buy or sell crypto at a specific price. This order is triggered as soon as the price hits its stop price, which is defined by you. A buy limit order can be executed at the set price or lower. A sell limit order can be executed at the sell price or higher. For example, if your buy limit order is at $100, you can only buy crypto at $100 or less. If your sell limit is at $100, you will only sell crypto at $100 or higher. A limit order cannot be guaranteed, as the market may or may not hit that limit price. To place a limit order on the Zebpay app, choose your cryptocurrency, select Limit Orders, choose your price or quantity, click Confirm, and execute. Remember, limit orders are only valid unless there is a counter offer. If there isn't, it will remain in your Zebpay order book for the next 28 days. Like, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for all the awesome crypto updates from Zebpay.